And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their air duster. This is a portable, cordless, powerful, rechargeable air duster. Think of it as like a can of compressed air that you just never have to buy again because it recharges. This is the model AD34, has USB charging, a 3000 milliamp hour battery, strong wind, and a lightweight design. There's some photos of it cleaning things there. You can see it. You can use it for your car, your house. You can use it for a vacuum bag because it could use the other side for suction, clean out a computer, inflate a mattress, etc. So open it up, and oh, it even has a nice bag. It's right on top. Nice little instruction manual. It'll tell you all the details that I'm not telling you in this video. And then we got some different items here. That looks like a brush for cleaning it maybe. This one looks like it would actually attach to the device. And that'd be for like directional, little like tongs there. I hope you get something out of a tight spot considering how pointy these are. Got a different little brush there. Not certain what that is. And we've got some other things here. We've got, so these look to be the nozzles. So you got a bigger nozzle, even a bigger one, smaller, and then this is the smallest. And included a USB-C cable to charge the device. Another little brush. Wow, lots of brushes. And then yeah, that's it for the box. And so then this is the actual duster. It has a nice little carrying case, so that's pretty nice, especially for somebody in IT who might be using one. And then inside of this plastic is the actual item. So take this off. So this is a device here. On the back right here is your USB-C port for charging it, and this little lever here you slide up to cut it on. But you can see when you cut it on, you get your battery level here on the side. And then that information just on the bottom. So if I was to like take this one and pop it on, I now have me an infinity amount of compressed air. So I slide this up. This seems to change the fan speed to like low, medium, high. And yeah, very nice. Let me show you this on a keyboard. So you have a dirty keyboard. You just take your item, slide it up, and turn it up. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.